How to clear cache memory on macOS X. So here is a step-by-step tutorial on how to do so. Clearing cache can free up space and fix app issues, so let's get started. First of all you have to do is simply tap on the Command plus Shift plus G to open Go To folder in your MacBook. Make sure to tap them together, Command, Shift and G alphabet. Tap three of this together and you'll get to see Go To folder available on your screen. Now, once you see it, simply type down this path library/cache. Make sure you type down exact path and simply hit enter or press return and you'll be navigated to it. Now here you can simply see or choose any folders you like and move them to trash. Simply double tap on the folder you want to remove and you will get to see move to trash option available there, and that is it. Or else you can select all by tapping Command plus A or just the ones you want and simply move them to trash. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.